Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the future of coding. What is that? An AI augmented developer. Today we will understand what is an AI augmented developer, why it is the future, what skills you must learn, career growth and opportunities. Let's begin. An AI augmented developer is nothing but a developer who uses AI tools to increase the productivity, quality, speed, and problem solving ability. Simply said, in day to day life, you are developing application to make them very fast and to finish the applications within the deadline. They are simply suggesting us, please use AI tools, talk to AI. Actually, it doesn't mean AI writes everything, developer becomes lazy, no coding knowledge required. Actually, what it means, you collaborate with the AI, you can guide the AI with your instructions, you verify the code or the solutions generated by the AI. AI is just a tool, developer is the brain. Who can control the tools? Definitely the developer. As a developer, you use these AI tools as an assistant to for the security analysis, code review, use it as a debugging partner in the project management collaboration. You finally use this as a research engine for your application development. You have to control this. Why you should become an AI augmented developer? Massive productivity boost. What it means? Before AI, if you want to implement a small CRUD application, it may take 2 weeks. But in an AI augmented way, just 2 hours is enough. Better problem solving. AI can understand the documentation, it can explain the errors, it can suggest the optimization, it can compare with the other coding approaches also, right? We can learn the things faster way. There is one thing called competitive advantage. What it means exactly? In future hiring, the companies won't ask you, do you know Java? Do you know .NET Python? But they may ask you, how effectively do you use AI in development? Definitely, this question may come in the interviews. Yeah. What you should learn to become an AI augmented developer? You must know how to use AI tools. And some of the tools I have mentioned here, like ChatGPT, Copilot, Cursor, Claude, Gemini, a lot of AI agents are there day-to-day life. Many agents are coming in future also. We cannot say, and there is no limit, unstoppable, and every day new agents are releasing with new features. Besides your coding knowledge, you should have knowledge on AI tools also, so that you can give you a very big boost to your productivity. Not only this, you must learn how to give a clear instructions to this. Simply says prompt engineering. So you can give the context. It can analyze the code. It can debug the outputs. If it is not meeting your requirement, you just reprompt it. But I want to say one thing, bad prompt, bad output. Clear prompts will always give you clear output. The future is not no developers. Definitely there should be a developer. The future may be like this: small teams, fast releases, higher expectations. It may be like before AI, after AI. Before AI, a team may contain 30, 40 members, but after AI, it may contain just 4 to 5 people. Small team, but they will expect fast releases as well as expectations also high. What are the emerging roles in future? An AI integrated software engineer, automation engineer, product engineer, prompt engineer, nothing but augmented, AI augmented engineer, workflow architect, AI agent developer. Yes, you can also develop the AI agent. In future, maybe in next 2 years, there will be two types of developers. Developers who compete with AI, developers who collaborate with AI. Maybe the second will grow rapidly. Finally, what is the conclusion? As a developer, you need to know how to use AI tools. How fast you can build the application using those AI tools is also very important. When you can finish the application development using these AI tools, then you are going to be called as an AI augmented developer because you are using AI tools. You are not writing the code by your own. You are guiding, you are training the AI tools, what you need exactly. Finally, an AI augmented developers will replace the traditional developers. Be careful. So please be updated as an AI augmented developer. Thank you very much. We will see you in another video.